and give each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all.
Hi! Ngayong araw na to, enjoy your day. Happy Mother's Day!
Lahat ibibigay, lahat